This tutorial will show you how association types work in the Sylius platform. First, move to the left side of your screen from the dashboard panel to locate the association types bar. In this panel, you will see the available association, code bar, name, and actions. We will create a new association type for this tutorial. Move to the top right corner and click the Create button. Sylius will ask you to fill the code bar with your association type name. For example, let's name it Best to be worn with. Then, do the same process, and name your association type. As you can see, Sylius offers to call your association in different languages. Of course, it depends on your needs and the countries where you sell your products. When all is set up correctly, click the Create button on the bottom. Now, let's see if we've successfully created our association type. As you can see, there are two association types to be selected. Now, let's move on to the product category to choose one of our products, to which we'll add a new association type. Then, select the Edit option to be able to add a new association type to your product. Now, go to the Associations. Choose the product you want to set an association with. In this case, it will be ultra slim jeans for women. Save changes and ensure that your implemented changes are visible on your storefront. To do that, click on the Show Product in Shop page. Now you can see your product and the best product to be worn with as an association type.